Hey, good morning. Don here from Super Blast. Okay, we're going to be doing just the paver walkway and a little bit of cleanup out front here. Once the weeds out, weeds right here. Got the ball valve up here. We're just going to turbo nozzle all this and blow it off to the side there. Won't take 5 minutes to do that. Then we're going to come down the sidewalk here and we're going to get all these weeds all the way back here. Not that bad. It's been sealed, so it really doesn't need to be clean. Just want to get the weeds out. And we'll get the weeds out back here. The homeowner's back here breaking her tail. She doesn't need to move the furniture though.
No.
And we'll get this algae all off of the top up here.
Yeah.
It'll look brand new. All right, let's get after it. Okay, she asked how much to do the driveway too. We added some money on, and we're gonna do the driveway too. Let's get after it. Life is good, right? So I guess what we're gonna do, boy. Let's just do the turbo nozzle first, and we'll get the driveway last. So I'll go ahead and go back and do the pool cage, then come out here and hit this. We'll de-weed everything while we're out here with the turbo nozzle, all right? Let's get after it. Alright, check it out. That's some clean concrete right there. Went ahead and opened up the ball valve and just dumped out some SH on it for the post treat today. Alright, we got a turbo nozzle right to there. Now we're going to head on down this path and get rid of the rest of the weeds. Let's go ahead and jump on board and I'll show you how simple it is to clean this pathway quickly and very efficiently with the turbo nozzle. Alright, let's get after it. Don't forget your glasses. I think you get the picture, right? All right, let's get after it. All right, we got all the turbo nozzle done. Now it's time to get this algae off this cage. Let's get after it, shall we?
With my old girl, you know I caught her fooling around with some other guy. I'm going down the deal with my old girl. You know I caught her fooling around with some other guy. And that ain't right at all. Hey, Joe, I heard you took care of your woman. You took care of her, yeah. the cowherd. You know my old girl was messing all over town, and I handed her the thing.
All right, that's how you get a pool cage clean. All the algae's gone, the deck's clean. The homeowner's very happy. Look at her, she's smiling from ear to ear. All right, this is all cleaned out here. Fences are all clean, sidewalks clean. Time to get after it. See you at the next job. All right, here we are, job number 2. We got some plants in here that we got to watch out for. And they are very healthy, so just keep that in mind when you're doing the work. What we're going to do is some fresh water wash in here to get rid of this stuff out of here. Get this all cleaned up. Then we're going to move these plants over into this area. We have a lot of algae growing on everything in here. See it going up the side there? It's all the way down the sides. I haven't done this place in 2 years, so the algae has accumulated. So let's go ahead and get after this, and then we'll be done for the day. All right? I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it.
Way. All right. Oh, I'm heading way down south, way down where I can be free. Ain't nobody gonna find me there. No road gonna touch me. Best believe that. I gotta move now. Hey, Joe, you better keep on moving. Goodbye, everybody. Hey, Joe, just keep running down.
All right, that's a wrap. Look at this. Terrazzo floor is really nice. Or what do you call that? Turpentine. All the algae's gone off of everything. Windows are clean. The plants are safe. Everybody's happy, right? All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. We got 2 more jobs tomorrow. And then we'll see you on Tuesday. Just have to go take that HINDA test for the gallbladder, all right? Always, always, always get after it. Stay healthy, my friends.